Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. I think we all know that in conversations about just about anything, from politics to where are we going to take our next family vacation, it is very easy to focus on our points of difference. And there are certain advantages for doing this. First of all, it's easier to remember the things that we disagree about. Second, focusing on our disagreements tends to give us just that sense of superiority that things would be much better if only the other person would come to their senses and see things my way. But what I'm suggesting is that there is another way of approaching these things that is, I think, in the long run, far more beneficial. And that is to ask ourselves, is there something that we actually agree upon? What I'm suggesting is that we somehow search for common ground, that we search for something about which we can truly agree. This is a starting point for moving the conversation forward towards some kind of resolution. I'm not suggesting that common ground is the same as middle ground. To search for middle ground it means that both parties in the conversation have to sacrifice something of their convictions in order to reach some kind of halfway point that is satisfactory to neither one of them. So when we look for common ground, like I said, this gives us the opportunity to move the conversation forward, and it serves as the basis for true cooperation. So to just quickly recap the suggestions that I've made for us to overcome some of the divisiveness that is so prevalent in our conversation today, I'm suggesting that we listen to the other carefully, that we try to truly understand what the other is saying, that we respect the person with whom we have a disagreement, and that we search for common ground in our public and private conversations. Thank you for watching, and please have a great weekend.